So it's been a while since we worked on the Maverick. This is a little Ford Maverick. We actually pulled it out of the mountains, deep in the hills of Kentucky. Check out the Ford Maverick playlist. Us saving that car, cutting trees down, using a tractor to get this thing out is, you know, it's entertaining at the most. Now, I picked up some parts for it. This trunk came from Texas in a previous video. But we got the stuff to attach the trunk because I bought a parts Maverick. It's rough. I hate to see one that you can't save. It's pretty much broken in half. But it got parts I can use on this one and make it, you know, live on in another Maverick. And if anybody needs Maverick parts, help them out too. So let's go ahead. We're going to install some tail lights and these corner bezels from that other car. Like I said, we have a working truck now. Trunk gutters are good on the car I got, so I'm going to actually get this part off the other car, weld in here. Oh. And then this section here up at the top needs cut out and replaced. Other than that, it's pretty solid, but that ain't what this video is about. Like I said, we're going to be installing some parts. Tail lights, check them out. They'll do for now. I might put the Illinois lights in it soon. Oh, I'm going to have to straighten them because they are bent from the other car for some reason. Let's get the other side. It might be straighter. I can get that on camera. A little rusty, but these OEM parts is hard to come by anymore. Okay. Are you too good for your hoe? It's a little bent, so I need a pair of pliers to bend this. Take them to my workstation. There we go. Yeah, you can tell it's crooked. Do I have any pliers on hand? When you fail once, just it ain't that you failed, you just found a way it didn't work. So let's try it this time. Boom. How's this gonna look? Oh, we got another valance for this car because this valance is killed. So it uses bolts on the back, of course, and they are odd size. I can't remember what size. I think 11s. They should be standard though. Go back to the workstation. So let's just bend these out of the way. And the reason these got bent is because unloading that car, the tail panel got smacked. Thankfully, the lights didn't break. You know, good stuff made back in. Quality. You know? They made stuff to last. These old cars is like tanks. New cars sure ain't like that. I'm sure you can buy us back and plate separate. I don't know. Maverick stuff is just hard to get a hold of. I guess that goes the same for a Comet because it's basically the same car, ain't it? Here we go. Let's take this over and install it. Let's see. Should go just like this. Am I off somewhere? Okay. Need to pop it in right here. That's nice, ain't it? Oh, hey, you ain't got the tab no more, guys. So it's got little tabs that pop down and hold it in place. The tabs is rusted off of it. I mean, how does it look on it? It don't look too bad, it's fine. The size is 7/16. I thought they were like 11. Oops. Anyway. I get a few screws in each one, then we move on to the other side. On to the second light. It looks better with tail lights. That ain't the end all be all tonight. Look what I got, guys. Got tail pieces right here, and they go in like so. You know what? I'm going to install them. So it's unscrew. This one came all the way out. That's a bumper filler piece that this one is missing. Right here, right here. And this piece can go on first, and then you put the other pieces in. That's what that little tiny bolt here for, is alignment. It's like a filler panel. And this piece, I know it's missing the main bottom one, goes like this. Everything lines up. Put that bottom bolt in. Had me worried for a second, didn't think it was lining up, but it did. And now I'm going to tighten both sides up, and then we'll be able to check it out all together so you can get an idea how it's going to look. Well, they installed. Let me get my icon light. This is a great light from Harbor Freight. I like it when it folds up like this. It's got different modes. You can see this is the super bright mode. It does good. I like it. The other one, it don't fold up. It's a cheaper version. It's made, it ain't icon, but I like this icon. The other one you can change batteries good. My buddy's got one of those. So let me get somebody to hold the flashlight. Can you please hold this? Thank you. And first time it had tail lights and a trunk. It actually works. And the side things for a long time. Check it out. Looks like a car again. Wow. Now we need to do something about the balance, but that'll be in a later video. So if you found this video helpful, drop a like, leave a comment, or just enjoyed watching. Don't forget, I do sell on eBay. Link in the description below. I will have some Maverick parts listed soon. So if you're watching this and you got a Maverick, I got one I'm parting out. So any parts that I don't think I'm going to use and I'm able to ship will be listed on eBay.